for you to view this awesome series.
Thank you for always saying yes to a Dreamscape project.
Of course, always an honor, and thank you for the trust.
Sobra. Very reliable. Sana magtuloy-tuloy na sa amin si Rafael. What can we look forward to you ngayon bukod sa napakaiba yung character mo sa teaser as a trailer that we have seen?
Well, story-wise, as in, ang ganda ng story. Personally, bilang isang cast member sa show na to, tuwing nagbabasa ako ng script, I always excited para malaman ko anong isusulat sa next script.
Medyo difficult daw ang mounting nito, Ram. Ito po iba kasi twisted daw.
Yeah, ang twisted ng story, ang twisted ng mga characters. So, abangan niyo yung mga iba't ibang portrayal ng iba't ibang artista dito. As in, very entertaining.
How long have you been in showbiz, Ram?
Tinatanong ko.
I know, Ram!
20 years, more than 2 decades.
I know, two and a half decades.
So,
and still here, di ba? Original Star Magic, Star Circle, 9.
Yes.
And then, ganun lang naman ang buhay. Mag-yes ka, mag-Jeremy ka, mag-Frank ka, ganyan po. And thank you always, Ram, for always saying yes to a Dreamscape.
Of course, thank you for always having me, and thank you so much sa pagpunta ninyo dito. Maraming salamat sa all the love and support, lalo-lalo sa social media. Sobrang na-appreciate ko. Thank you,
Would you like to thank the people of Cebu, di ba?
Yes, of course. Taga Cebu ako eh. Taga Cebu si Daddy eh. So, home city din namin yan. So, maraming salamat. Kung meron man dito na taga Cebu, kung napapanood ng mga taga Cebu dito, thank you so much for lending us your beautiful environment and landscape. As in, ang ganda at I think it's justified through the screen talaga sa pinapalabas. Mapapanood natin ang aliwalas talaga ng Cebu. Ang ganda.
Sarap bumalik-balik sa Cebuan.
Yes.
Alright, thank you, Rap!
Thank you so much. Enjoy the show. Maraming salamat ulit. It's always an honor.
Okay. Thank you. Join your co-actors there as I call it the next batch of ABS Studios.
Thank you guys for coming. Sobrang appreciate namin yung presence nyo. Kung hindi dahil sa inyo, hindi kami...
Tapang mo naman dito. Ha? Tapang mo, nananampal ka.
Sobrang tapang. Kailangan ganun sa life.
Talaga?
Yes.
Did you prepare? Hindi kasi ganito eh. You've never portrayed a role as fierce as this before. How did you prepare for the role dito, Sophia?
I had to watch some scenes from movies, syempre. Kailangan ng pen.
Are you ready for the King Paho galit? Mahal niya ang King Paho. She's just portraying a role.
Yeah.
Are you happy to be back?
I'm so happy to be back kasi syempre ang dami kong mga veterans na I really look up to.
Ilang years lang naman?
I mean, to be with Kim Pao, Tito John, Miss Jota, Samuel B, Rafael Rosel, Miss Alan Moreno. I mean, like, sila na po yung mga
naiintindihan ka naman you're coming from. The challenge is so, di ba?
The pressure is real.
The pressure is real, sabi niya. Pero sabi ng husay mo daw, sabi niya, the head of production.
Thank you guys so much. I really gave my best for this.
We will find out later. The pilot episode, mapapanood po natin sabay-sabay later on. Enjoy your co-actors there, Sophia.
Okay.
And makakasama natin siya sa MediaCon at sa special screening inside. Thank you na. Okay. Diba? Correct.
Yes.
Trabaho mo daw to, I heard.
It was a challenge para sa akin, but I'm so excited for you guys to watch this. Thriller mystery. I'm excited to see yung mga reactions sa mga tao. Yes.
Thank you for always saying yes to doing a Dreamscape.
Of course, Dreamscape is oh my gosh.
That's the fun of the Dreamscape family.
Yes.
Okay, and what can we expect aside from being a different character? You are playing what? What's your character say?
I played the role of Walter Cunana.
The one who got the position, the CEO.
Yes, I got the CEO position. I am very smart, very cunning, deceitful also, and I would say revengeful. Yeah. But daming revelations as the story goes on, so it's really exciting.
How do you feel working with Kim and Paolo?
It's been a great time.
I know, friends mo sila eh, di ba?
Yes, I think kami ni Kimmy, we've only done like a Your Song before, so super tagal na yun.
18 years ago,
I did work with him, with Angelique Quito. Kahit konti pa pagiging.
KKP.
Yeah, so it's been great working with him again. And yeah, it's a beautiful story, so
We look forward to watching you on the 7th of November sa Prime.
Yes.
And later on, mapapanood na namin ang pilot episode with some of the members of the press and your fans. Join your co-actors there, Sam, please.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sam. Dreamscape!
Wow, acting again in Dreamscape.
Ano bang huli mo? Sorry.
Kikim din. The story of his ano ba? No, I was working in Singapore.
Love Thy Woman?
Love Thy Woman.
Correct.
Nag-back-to-back din kami ni Kim.
I know. Thank you, ha, for saying yes to doing this.
Yeah, oh my God. I'm so happy kasi napakaganda ng role.
I know naman maganda relationship with Mr. Dale before this. Kayo yung, he would always put you
That's right.
in a perfect role. I'm happy that you're
Medyo nahinto ako na nabanggit mo kasi nag-pandemic na niya ako sa partner ko. Siyempre hindi siya taga-showbiz.
I have to have time for you.
Oo, talaga. Kasi nag-resume ako. Nahinto muna ako.
So yun din pala ang reason. But happy that you're back. Sana tuloy-tuloy na.
Yes.
Although on the side, andyan pa rin naman ang first love niya, which is singing,
He's very
recording.
supportive naman. So he says, no, it's okay.
Miss Z, parang magandang role mo dito.
Yes, sobrang ganda.
Dikit kanina.
Sa buong pamilya kasi I have 3 sons at the parents.
Anak mo si...
Yes, anak ko si Pao.
Si Robbie. Wow.
And yun, so makikita yung ano yung love ng isang nanay na minsan maliit na ang ginagawa. Pero
Wow.
dahil sa pagmamahal sa anak, sobrang protective sa pamilya. Kasi yun ang buhay niya.
Ang ganda ng anchor pala ng show. Anong family pa rin talaga.
That's true.
Good to see you tonight, Miss Z. I'll see you. Join your co-actors.
Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Good afternoon everyone. And thank you for coming.
Iba na naman ang bibigay mo dito. Lagi naman iba, pero bigyan mo kami ng glimpse of what can we expect from you.
Well, genuine na magmahal si Arthur. Kaya lang, by hook or by crook, ipoprotect niya yung mahal niya sa buhay kahit anong paraan.
Asawa mo si Z.
Yes, yes, yes. And sobrang na-inlove ako sa Kim Pao. And na-inlove ako siyempre doon sa pamilya ko, kay Sophia Andres, kay Rafael Rosel, kay Robbie. And alam mo, na-inlove ako kay Raja Padilla. Ibang klase.
I was
Ibang
looking at her kanina up close. Ganda pa rin talaga ni Miss Z.
ibang klase. Napaka-natural ng elegance. At saka isang mahusay na actress.
Totoo naman.
Hindi mo lang sasabihin, divine diva, pero talagang one of the best actresses in the Philippine cinema or Philippine industry.
You are a world-class actor, Kuya John. And always, on behalf of the Dreamscape management, thank you for always saying yes to our Dreamscape project.
O syempre naman, pamilya natin to.
At saka ang proper niya, pag may gagawin siya sa ibang station, magpapaalam niya siya sa mga boss. Ang galing, di ba? Yung iba yung tatanggap agad. Pero siya talaga nagpapasabi, I will be gone for 3 months. Tapos andito lang ako. And ando naman lagi yung offer sa kanya.
Gano'n naman tayo sa kapamilya, hindi ba?
Yeah!
Tama ba? Mahal natin ang kapamilya, hindi ba?
Okay. Thank you, Sir John. Please join your co-actors sa Cinema 6. As nabi sa loob, as I call in another leader natin sa ABS-CBN.
Monday afternoon. Monday ba? Tuesday pala. Tuesday pala. Maraming salamat po.
Nakakaiyak ang support at team. Alam niyo naman, nakikita niyo naman ang support.
Yes, sa lahat ng mga Kimers, mga pals, Kim pals, and everyone nakasama sa family na ito. Thank you so much.
Sobra talaga. Paolo Molina!
Tulad sa sabi niyo, maraming salamat po. Mas kayo kahit mawala. Kahit mga kapatid, thank you for your time. At sana magustuhan ninyo ang programa na naginawa namin lahat.
Yung ginawa ni Paolo, nagpakulot talaga siya ito. Ay, nung upa na yung kulot niya. Guwapo-guwapo na ulit. Kim, Pao, alam ko nahirapan talaga kayo mga activities. How was the experience doing the Alibay?
Doing the album, mahirap, pero ma-fulfilling actually. Parang it's something na yun. Akala ko 6 p.m. pa yung media ko.
Pinapastretch ako ng shoes.
Stretch pa? Sino to?
I know.
Pero masaya siyang gawin. It's something different that we can offer to all our supporters. And we're very thankful.
Subscribe na ba kayo?
Sino dito ang wala pang Prime Video? Walang sumagot. So lahat meron.
Para pa lang Kim Pao Universe ng 300 slot. Sobra. May pa-angkas pa sila, may pa-billboard, at may pa-cocktails area here Kim Pao.
Tita Cory in the house!
Speaking of Tita Cory, baka ka-photo lang daw, please. Of course, with our partners sa Prime Video, join na rin si Miss Pia Laurel. Sige na, this will be the last frame natin before tayo magsimula. Kandahan. Ayan, we will let Kim and is of course joined by the heads of Dreamscape, Miss Kai. Here para balance. Hi, Miss Tia! You made it! Thank you. Tita Cory! There she is with Kim Pao. Ayan. This is a power photo. Ito pang official. More, sige pa, go!